Well, hey guys, how's it going? This video right here is some footage that me and Laura shot of me sharpening some circle knives, or slitter knives, where you gonna call them. They're just knives for cutting paper tubes. I am in the process of learning to use my new laptop with some new editing software. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but hey, let's give it a shot and see what happens. Here we go. All right, guys, leave a comment. Let me know if this looks different than what I've been doing, because I'm still playing with this thing. I may have butchered it all to pieces, but, you know, it takes time to learn new stuff, which I'm not opposed to doing. May end up back on the phone, but we'll see. Anyway, hope things are great in your world. Family's home and safe. Watch out for them loose lug nuts. We'll see you on the next one.